Let's study the page on the left here. Ice cream and more ice cream. Let's start with ice cream. You're going to see it says C position. So I'm placing my right hand on middle C position, left hand on C. And we're going to play our skips. 5 on G. And we're going to go skip. 4, skip. 3, skip. Let's play it together. More ice cream is basically the same as C position, but we're going to move from C up to G. So I start my thumb in G right hand, my left hand 5 on G in left hand. Let's go. Let's start with the ice cream. On C position first, I will start with the right hand. Sharp, natural, sharp, natural. Left hand, I'll be playing a 5th, a 4th, 3rd, and a 2nd. Next line, 3rd, 2nd, 3rd, and snowman. Now, more ice cream. Let's move everything up to G position. 5 now is on D, and my left hand, G and D. Starting with our right hand. Skip. 4, skip. 3, skip. Sharp, natural, sharp, natural. The left hand, same as the right hand. We're going to be playing 5th, 4th, 3rd, and 2nd. Last line, 3rd, 2nd, 3rd, and a snowman.